Hello, this is an instructional video for how to create a portfolio on Tickeron.com. Creating a portfolio takes just a few minutes and it can provide you with several benefits. You can use Tickeron's artificial intelligence tools to determine if your portfolio is well diversified. You can even create investor clubs and share your portfolio with friends, or you can generate new investment ideas by asking an advisor or Tickeron's artificial intelligence for help. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to click on this portfolio style right here in the left side column. From this page, you will see the option to create a new portfolio. The first step is to select what type of portfolio you are going to create. Chances are that most investors are going to fall into this first option. This is stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. Or maybe you're a Forex or a crypto investor, which means you would select this second option. For demonstrational purposes, let's say that I was going to create a 401k portfolio. So let's give this portfolio a name and proceed to the next step. Here, there are 4 ways that you can add the positions that you have in your portfolio. The first option is to transfer the existing positions that you have, which is a service that is provided by Morningstar. On this page, you are going to see a list of popular brokerage accounts, which is like Fidelity, Merrill Lynch, Chase. But let's say, for example, you had an E-Trade account. All you have to do is search it in and then select it and then add your username and password. This will automatically sync your existing positions that you have with the Tickeron portfolio. If this doesn't apply to you, you could add the positions by searching the company name or the ticker symbol. But for demonstrational purposes, let's say that I had an existing 401k plan with Salesforce.com. Here is a pop-up window that shows every position available in the 401k plan. It's very important that you add every single position available in the plan. This will allow Tickeron's artificial intelligence or asset allocator to help you diversify it according to your plans and your needs. So now let's proceed to the next step. Here you can allocate the positions needed that you have currently for each position. Also, as you can see, the program has pre-populated every single security with its current price. So you can allocate how much money you have invested by one of 3 ways. You could do it by the number of shares you have in each position, or you could do it by the number of total US dollars you have invested. But maybe you feel like you would need to provide the percentage that you have in your portfolio. So for demonstrational purposes, let's say that I just had 25% in the first 4 positions. Now, as you can see, I am fully invested and I only have 0% left in cash reserves. From the settings page, you can select whether or not you're an active or a passive investor. For active investors, this means that you're trading within every 3 months. This means that you're actively making trades and you're actively invested in your portfolio and you're making trades within every 3 months. If you're a passive investor, usually this means you're waiting at least 3 months before making a trade, which qualifies into our 401k plan demonstration. For our risk level, it's probably going to be conservative, and our years until withdrawal are probably going to be at least 15 years. Here you select what type of portfolio you're creating, which would be a retirement portfolio. And from this step, you select your current state of residence. Here, we're asking whether or not you have cash reserves on hand, which means do you have enough money saved to cover your living expenses for a year? This chart describes how much market volatility you can handle. This ranges from a scale from 0 to 10, with 10 being the highest. For most retirement plans, you're probably going to follow lower in the spectrum with probably a 3. And as we know, for retirement plans, we're continually adding money, as so is our employer. And that's it. Now we're going to be directed to our portfolio summary page. So from here, I have a few options. I could share a portfolio with a friend, or I could even start an investor club. Or I can get some advice for how to make the portfolio better. Tickeron's artificial intelligence can give me ideas, or I could even reach out to a financial advisor in the network. How to take these actions will be the subject of another video. Also, in the left sidebar, you will see the option to customize your portfolio settings, which will be the passive versus active, and everything else, including your portfolio title. Or you could even generate portfolio settings and turn on the artificial intelligence autopilot. Once again, how to take these actions will be the subject of another video. Thanks for watching and have fun creating your portfolio.